Did you know in the city of Las Vegas, we've had 16 fire fatalities in the last 2 years? 70% of fire deaths occur in homes with no smoke alarms or inoperable smoke alarms. Working smoke alarms reduce the risk of dying in a fire by 50%. Have smoke alarms in every sleeping room, outside each sleeping area, and on every level of your home. Test your smoke alarms monthly. Change the batteries when you change your clocks, every 6 months. Check the date on the back of your smoke alarm and replace them every 10 years. You can also install a dual smoke and carbon monoxide alarm in your home. Carbon monoxide is a silent killer. You cannot see it, hear it, or smell it. Signs and symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning are headache, nausea, dizziness, shortness of breath, weakness, and loss of consciousness. Areas you might find carbon monoxide are around gas appliances, such as a gas stove in the kitchen, a gas dryer in your laundry room, or a water heater that is installed in a closet. Do not install carbon monoxide detectors in your garage, as your vehicle can set them off.